Man called Z.
Hello everybody and welcome to Z Soda Sampling. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, so today we're going to be sampling, well, I won a contest. Over the summer they had a contest with the Baja flavors. They had a promotional contest. And one of the prizes was you could win a Mountain Dew flavor that was limited edition, only available through this contest. I think they had like 18,000 winners or something. And, well, I was one of them. And so I won a 6-pack of what's called the Baja Deep Dive. I got the box right here. So, yeah, it's got some, like, really cool tape on it. It's pretty cool. From what I've heard, it's supposed to be like a mix of Baja and Pitch Black, but I don't know how true that is. But we're gonna find out. If I can get this tape off. This tape is brutal. Alright. Alrighty. Okay, yep, 6 cans. Alright. Any special things in here? Okay. No cards? Nothing? Interesting. Okay. Okie dokie. It's gonna be like a card with it or something. I know some people have been posting on social media. They got a card with theirs. Must have forgot to give me one. Oh well. No big deal. Alright. Okay. Put the rest of these down. Alrighty. Wow, that's impressive. That looks really cool. It's a pretty cool can. Pretty awesome. It's got a little bottle of Pitch Black on the can. Look at that. Kind of hard to see. Like right there. Right there. Anyway, yeah, let's try it. See how it is. Ooh. 16 ounces. That's really tasty. I definitely taste the Pitch Black. It's there. Definitely can taste the Baja too. It's a pretty good blend. I mean, it's not too overpowering. It's just like kind of mixed. And it's, yeah, it works. That works. I could drink more of that stuff, honestly. I kind of hope they release it in stores next year, to be honest. With the, because, from what I've heard, Pitch Black is going to be coming back in January of next year as like a limited time thing. But I definitely think they should do this for the summer. Just do this when they bring back Baja for the summer again. Like they probably will. They should definitely do this as one of the other flavors. Be pretty cool. Yeah, that's really good. It's really good stuff. It's actually a shame. It's a shame that this wasn't like in place of like I don't know, the pineapple one. They keep doing a pineapple flavor, and I don't know why. Every summer they keep doing that pineapple. They keep doing some variation of pineapple. But anyway, yeah, they definitely should have. They should do a store release of this. That'd be awesome. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.